Okay, so I'm back and I feel like it's gonna freeze, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it out of the refrigerator and see how it checks. It technically still 42 minutes left, so we're gonna check it. Yeah, and I'll see how it looked. Okay, so reason it's still in the refrigerator, the freezer, because it did look like a slimy texture. Like this is like some residue from it. It's like a jiggly slime almost. Yeah. But it was still like really sticky, like soap. So I'm gonna wait until that's good, and then we're gonna have a part 3 apparently. I'm gonna wait for the rest of the minutes. Bye. Hope you get heartbroken.